There are many reasons why people choose to switch to an electric BMW, but one that actually comes up quite frequently is the fact that electric BMWs offer reduced ownership and operating costs. There are three main ways that a fully electric BMW can provide cost savings over the long term. The first and most obvious one is, of course, not having to pay for fuel. Now, this may not be so surprising, but what does tend to surprise many of our customers is learning just how much they'll save on fuel by making the switch to electric. And if you want to determine this for yourself, there are several online calculators available to help you do so. In fact, BMW Canada has its own, which allows you to plug in your daily driving distance, your current vehicle's fuel economy, and the fuel and electricity rates in your area, to provide you with an estimate of how much you could save on fuel every week, month, and year. If you're considering an electric BMW, I really encourage you to try this tool out. The second lesser-known source of savings has to do with reduced maintenance costs. BMW retailers have been servicing electric vehicles for several years now, and I can tell you from experience that there's less regular maintenance required in general. Not only do fully electric BMWs not require regular oil changes, coolant changes, and spark plug replacements, they also have fewer moving parts, which means there's less of a chance that parts will need to be replaced. Of course, electric BMWs do have systems that require specialized maintenance, performed by high-voltage trained technicians that we have at our stores. The good news is that BMW retailers provide standard, no-charge scheduled maintenance, which covers this kind of service for up to 3 years. On top of that, we also offer a battery warranty for our electric vehicles, which provides coverage against defects and workmanship for a period of 8 years. The third source of savings has to do with charging, and more importantly, knowing when to charge. Many electricity providers across Canada offer off-peak energy hours, typically overnight, in which the cost of electricity is reduced. Charging your electric BMW during these off-peak hours can provide significant electricity savings. And BMW has made it very easy to do this. With the My BMW app, you can schedule your vehicle only to charge during these off-peak energy hours to take advantage of the associated savings. So, with an electric BMW, you can save quite a bit on fuel, maintenance, and even costs of charging over time. Couple that with the fact that you can enjoy electrifying performance without any emissions, and you've got a pretty compelling reason to make the switch.